Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 5 English lesson number 5, adding colors. This is a poem. Colors. Colors are most beautiful thing in our life. Without colors we can't imagine our life. Think, if we have only white or black color in our life, how would be our life? It would be dull. Colors are everywhere in the nature and we enjoyed it. We found it attractive. But do you know we can get different colors by mixing one color with another? How? Let us see and enjoy the poem. Adding white to black we get grey. Every day to God we should pray. Adding yellow to blue we get green. Our house should always be tidy and clean. In this stanza, poet tells us two things. What? First thing, that we should pray to God daily. Second thing, our house should always be tidy and clean. So let us see, adding white to black we get grey. Means when we add black color with white color, we get grey color. Every day to God we should pray. We should pray to God daily. Our soul will remain clean if we pray to God daily with our heart. Adding yellow to blue we get green. When we add yellow color with blue color we get green color. Our house should always be tidy and clean. Tidy means arranged neatly and in order. And the poet says that our house should be neatly arranged, means everything should be in proper manner and clean. Adding white to red we get pink. Morning and evening milk we must drink. Adding yellow to red we get orange. After buying something we should count the change. In this stanza, poet tells us that we should remain healthy. For this we have to drink milk. And second thing, we must count the change when we buy something from the shop. Adding white to red we get pink. When we add white color with red color we get pink color. Morning and evening milk we must drink, and in morning and also in evening we must drink what? Milk. Adding yellow to red we get orange. When we add yellow color with red color we get orange color. After buying something, buying means to get something by paying money for it, means to purchase. We should count the change. Count means to calculate the number of people or things in a group, and change here means the money that you get back when you have paid for something, giving more money than the amount it cost. Means if you purchase something from a shop and you give extra money, then you should count the amount shopkeeper has returned to you to be sure that he has returned proper amount to you. It should be not less and it should not be more than the amount you should get. Understand? Adding blue to red we get purple. Mummy and Papa make a lovely couple. Adding blue to red we get purple. Purple means the color of blue and red mixed together. When we add blue color with red color, what do we get? Purple color. Mummy and Papa make a lovely couple. Couple means husband and wife. Likewise, when we add blue and red we get purple color, which is so beautiful. Likewise, Mummy and Papa also make a lovely couple. When they are together, they look so beautiful and we love them. So that was the colors of your life. Hope you all understand it. Let us see its question answers. Fill in the blanks. We can get grey color by adding black to which color? White color. So we will write here white. To get green color, we should mix dash and yellow. Green color, yellow and blue. Blue and yellow makes green color. If we mix red and dash colors, we will get purple color. Red plus what color we get purple? Blue. Red and blue is equal to purple color. Now which colors do you need to get pink color? And answer is we need white and red colors to get pink color. What color is the milk? The color of the milk is white. How can you get orange color? We can get orange color by adding yellow to red color. Why should we count the change after buying something? Answer is we should count the change after buying something to be sure about the refunded amount, that we have got the correct amount. Now you have to match the colors with their names. Some colors are there and their names are written here. We have to match it. So let's begin. First is yellow color. Match it with yellow. Which color is this? Red. We will match it with red color. This is grey. White and black is equal to grey. This is green. This is orange. And this is blue. This color is pink. And this is purple. Okay, do it in your copy. Color it with different colors you have. Okay. Rhyming words are the words that end with same sound, as we all know. For example, pen, tan. Got it? Okay. Write the words from the poem that rhyme with the words given below. Tray, screen, think. We have to write word from the poem which sounds like these words. First is tray. The word will be pray. So we will write pray here. Screen, rhyming word is green. And think, pink. One more word we can add in it, drink. Got it? Now draw a rainbow. Do you know the acronym for the colors of the rainbow? It is VIBGYOR. Now write the names of the colors beginning with the letters of VIBGYOR. You have seen the rainbow. Do you know the sequence of colors which are in rainbow? That is called acronym. VIBGYOR is the sequence of the color. Just see. VIBGYOR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors are there. And these colors are written here. VIBGYOR. And in this sequence, we have to draw the colors of rainbow. First is V letter, violet. See, violet color is there. Second, I, indigo. We will write indigo. B, blue. So write blue here. Next is, which color is this? Green. So green. Now Y, yellow. We will write here yellow. Now next color, orange. O. Orange. And last color, red color, which is everyone's favorite. Yours or not? Okay, this is vibe gear, sequence of colors of rainbow. Draw it in your notebook. So this was your colorful poem and colorful question answers. Do it in your English notebook. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.